Hi guys! Today we're learning how to recover deleted Gmail emails. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed in to the Gmail account where the deleted email was originally stored. Once the app opens, you'll be ready to access your email folders. After opening Gmail, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the navigation menu where you can access different folders and email categories. Now scroll through the menu and tap on the trash or bin folder. This section contains emails that have been deleted within the last 30 days. Gmail temporarily stores deleted emails here before permanently removing them. Once the trash folder opens, you'll see all recently deleted emails. Browse through the list and tap on the email you want to recover. This will open the full message so you can restore it. After opening the email, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This menu contains several options that allow you to manage and move the selected email. From the menu, tap on the Move to option. This feature allows you to transfer the email from the trash folder back to another mailbox location instead of leaving it deleted. Now select Inbox from the available folder options. Gmail will immediately move the email from the trash folder back into your main inbox, making it accessible again. Return to your inbox and look for the recovered email. You should now be able to see it alongside your other messages. The email has been successfully restored and can be accessed normally. If you have many emails, you can use the search bar at the top of Gmail to quickly locate the restored message. Simply type keywords from the email to find it faster. Your deleted email has now been recovered successfully. Remember that emails usually remain in the trash folder for up to 30 days. So it's best to restore important messages before they are permanently deleted. And that's how you can easily recover deleted Gmail emails in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and comment below for more simple tutorials.